It worked! We're turning round. Now all I have to do is sit back until we arrive home. Meanwhile...
I wonder where Simon is, Grandfather. He's been gone for hours.
Don't worry, my dear. I'm sure he's perfectly safe.
We've come for the wizard, okay? Yeah, and you better hand him over, right? Or there will be trouble. With a capital T. You got that?
He's not here.
Look, Mac, we know the wizard is here, right? Just hand him over, and don't try any funny business, okay? Resistance is not a good idea. That's right. Not for you, anyway.
I'm telling you, he's not here.
Well, we is gonna search the place, see? We find him, then we might just let you and the Goyle go. Notice he said might. Otherwise...
Otherwise, what?
Just pray it don't happen. Let's do it. Later that day. Looks like another ship. I wonder if they're friendly. Days later.